How to buy Ethereum, easy tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can purchase Ethereum. So let's get into it. Now, this is absolutely beginner friendly, and if you're just someone starting out with crypto, you don't know much about it, you are confused by the trading charts, and you just want to be able to purchase crypto in a simple way at the lowest possible price, then this video is going to be super helpful for you. Now, to get started, all you need to do is go on to Binance.com, and then you're going to create your Binance.com account. Now, to do that, you're going to sign up, and once you sign up with your regular old email, there is one step that you actually need to do, which is identity verification. So you can just sign up via your email, put in a password of your choice, and then you will actually have to do identity verification. So they will ask you for identity verification, and for that, what you're going to do is you're either going to send them a picture of your driver's license or your national ID or your passport, whatever, to actually verify that you are an actual person looking to create this account. And that is just the difficult part. After this, it's super easy. Now, there are multiple different ways that you can buy Ethereum, and the most simplest, and although it is the most simplest way, it is a high price method. I don't recommend it, but for beginners, a lot of them do this, is that you go onto Binance, you do the identity verification, and once the verification is complete, you click on buy crypto. You click on debit/credit card, and then you enter the USD, and then you're going to select Ethereum from over here. And now you can go on ahead and spend direct money from your credit or debit card to purchase Ethereum. Now, this is one of the simplest ways to go on ahead and buy any kind of crypto token. You can just enter the money that you have in your credit or debit card and then just click on continue over here. Then enter your card information. And once you enter your card information, you can receive your Ethereum directly into your Binance wallet. Now, that is one way to buy Ethereum, but I don't recommend it. The reason for that is you can see the exchange price over here. So I'm getting it at around 1,724 USD. That is pretty high. I at a price that is 15% less than this, or 10 to 15, depending on the amount of Ethereum you're buying and depending on whether or not this is a long-term or short-term investment. You're going to want to save money with this. So for that, what you're actually going to do is you're going to go on ahead and go into your wallet, and you can click on spot and fiat. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on deposit, and then you're going to deposit USD into your Binance account. Once you do that, once you have deposited USD, so you're going to click on continue, and then you can just enter the amount. You can enter however much amount you want, or if you don't want to do a bank transaction, if you want to be able to do this with your credit or debit card, you can go on ahead and click on buy crypto, enter your USD, and select USDT. So you're going to buy USDT from over here. And you can see it's going to be a bit costly to buy USDT because sometimes the prices over here do fluctuate, but USD, usually you're going to get almost the same amount of USDT. However, if you're getting a price difference of $1 or $2, that's pretty normal. Or if you don't even want to get the $1 or $2, you can do the thing that I was just showing you guys, is to go into your spot/fiat, click on deposit, and then deposit direct US dollars into your Binance account. And once you have deposited those, you can go on ahead and click on convert over here. So once you click on convert, or you can go on and click on trade and click on Binance convert and convert your USD. So whatever token you have, and then you can convert it into another token. Now, in this way, you can actually go on ahead and convert your USDT into Ethereum. And that is another way to purchase Ethereum. So you can enter the amount of USDT that you have and then have your Ethereum over here. So let's say you want to buy 9 Ethereum and so on and so forth. You can buy Ethereum like this as well. Although this is a super easy method as well, it is going to give you not the best price. Now you might be wondering, I've shown you guys so many methods and all of them are not the best price. What is the best price? Well, the best price is going to be the most complicated, which is spot trading. Now, don't worry and don't run away, because I'm going to simplify this into the tiniest little bit of a morsel so you guys can understand that it's not difficult at all to spot trade, because it might look very difficult, but for a beginner, I'm going to simplify this You're going to go onto Binance.com, you're going to go into your wallet, you deposited your fiat and spot, and you converted that into USDT, or you're going to go into buy crypto, go into credit/debit card, use your credit or debit card to purchase BUSD or USDT over here. So you're going to purchase USDT. Once you have USDT, you're going to click on trade over here. On your trade account, you're going to click on spot, and this will open up the spot trading chart. Now over here, you're actually going to be doing the complicated thing. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to search, and you're going to take a look at your top right. You have this search bar. You're just going to type in ETH, and then you're going to see multiple different trading pairs with ETH. So you're just going to select ETH/USDT. And once you select that, the chart for ETH/USDT would open. You're going to scroll down over here, and then you're going to click on spot over here. Not cross 3x, not isolated 3x. You're going to click on spot. Now, why is this going to give you the best price? The reason that this is going to give you the best price is because you can actually put in a limit order. Now, what is a limit order? A limit order is the order that only goes through when the price reaches a certain point. So you can see the current price is 1694. And let's say I want to buy it when the price of Ethereum is 160. So I want to buy Ethereum when the price is 1600. So that is one thing that you can put in. This is a very low price. Usually I would cut off a couple of dollars. So I want to buy it at 1680. That is around $14 or less than the current market price. And if I was to buy it directly, I would be paying market price plus some other fees and some of the transactional costs as well. So this will enable me to put in an open spot order, and I'm going to choose the amount of Ethereum that I want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 3 Ethereum, and then if I scroll down over here, it shows me the total amount of USDT I would be spending, and then I can just click on buy ETH, and once I click on buy ETH, it would open up a open order at the bottom left of my screen, on the bottom of my screen. This would open up the open order, and then you can see all the green prices over here are the prices at which people are willing to buy Ethereum, and all the red prices are the prices that people are selling Ethereum at. So in this way, you can save quite a few dollars with any kind of crypto token. So the reason that this is so essential is because the price of a token varies immensely within a day. So if I open up the daily chart, you can see that the price of Ethereum started off at the day at 2000 USDT, and then it dropped to 1600. So depending on how volatile the token that you are looking to buy is going to be very, very impactful on what the price that you're going to receive. So that is why it is so much better to put in a spot order for you to purchase a crypto token rather than going on ahead and directly purchasing with your credit or debit card or bank transfer or direct conversion. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.